Hello everyone. So many of you have cleared the CMA inter examination but are a little confused about how to begin with your CMA final. So once you clear CMA inter, your journey has three parallel tracks. I would just let you know this. Basically, you have the practical training, you have CMA final registration plus classes, and undoubtedly, you need to discover and work upon the exam attempt strategy. That is, whether I should start preparing for single group or both groups, right? Now, you don't do these three things one after the other, you have to overlap them intelligently, right? That's where the real struggle comes. Three main things: register for CMA final with the institute. Don't worry, you have time. If you haven't yet started with the practical training, then you have to start the training. And the most important, start your exam preparation. Now, if I talk about the registration, you'll get all the details on institute's website. Depending upon when you will be eligible and willing to give your attempt, you can decide about the last date of registration. But I would suggest, why wait and defer? Do it in a month and be sorted, right? छोटा सा procedure है registration का, just do it and focus on other important things. ठीक है? तो CMA final का registration with the institute has to be done, and you can do it, right? You can do it right away. Now, undoubtedly, training is very important before you get to appear for your exam. So be quick in finding the right platform for you, but don't choose in a hurry. Evaluate your options. You won't get a good option in a day. ऐसा हो सकता है 1 महीने 2 महीने लग रहे हैं, which is absolutely okay. So depending upon your interest and career choice, आप practical training decide कर सकते हो under a firm, under company, industry, PSU, right? The CMA is unique because practical exposure also matters a lot. To enter या उसके बाद you choose training that actually teaches you cost, accounts, GST, audit, MIS, I would say a lot of things. But don't go and chase only the brand names, you chase learning. ठीक है, तो बहुत important है कि आप एक calculated decision लो and take a good decision for yourself. For this, you can always take help and take the guidance of any CMAs you know, maybe in the industry or maybe who are practicing, right? Okay. Now, when should you start the classes and how many subjects at once? See, CMA final is very different from inter. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, द क्वेश्चंस आर गोइंग टू बी लॉन्गर, आंसर्स विल डिमांड मोर लॉजिक, स्ट्रक्चर एंड जजमेंट. सिर्फ याद कर करके काम नहीं चलेगा. सो द माइंडसेट हैज टू शिफ्ट फ्रॉम अ स्टूडेंट टू अ प्रोफेशनल इन मेकिंग जो आप हो. ठीक है, बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट यू नीड टू स्टार्ट स्टडिंग एग्रेसिवली द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे. नहीं, when your result is out, the first 3-4 days, which are actually probably over, right? But then those are the days when you should actually plan, understand the syllabus, and ask yourself some very basic questions. How much time do I have? That is, when is my attempt due? Could be June 27, December 27, right? Second question: how many attempts did I take to clear CMA inter in normal situation? Maybe ऐसा हो सकता है कि किसी attempt में you got very much ill, so consider that as an abnormal situation. In normal situation, how many attempts did you take to clear CMA inter? If it's 3 or more, I would suggest you to start with one group preparation only. Otherwise, depending upon your caliber, you can go for both. Next question: do I have training also to be done? If yes, is it a comfortable training or very rigorous one? अगेन डिसाइड अकॉर्डिंगली, सिंगल और बोथ ग्रुप्स. तो सिंगल ग्रुप कब चूज करना है? अगर आप फुल टाइम प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हो और आपके पास यू हैव वेरी लेस टाइम, मे बी यू हैड वेरी वीक कंसेप्चुअल बेस इन द इंटर, यू हैड अ लॉन्ग गैप इन स्टडीज, and you are very fragile and you want that sure shot confidence कि नहीं यार एग्जाम में फेल तो नहीं होना और ये निकल जाना चाहिए. So choose and go for single group. Okay, now take the classes without any delay, because once you have a clear mindset, you shouldn't waste a single minute. हर एक मिनट बहुत भारी पड़ता है बाद में. ठीक है, before I go further, let me be very specific and tell you, all those who are looking for the classes, bookmyvideo.in is my official website, and 8970707077 is the official number जहाँ पे आप contact कर सकते हो, या फिर you can visit the website and you will find the courses at discounted prices. You can enroll for the same और जल्दी preparation आप शुरू कर सकते हो. There are combos also available. Now, You have to remember that CMA final will reward consistency, conceptual depth, and writing practice. कोई panic या comparison नहीं. I wouldn't suggest कि सारे के सारे classes join immediately after inter. The right approach is phased learning, especially if you have to do it with the training. So you should ideally start with 2 subjects if your training is also there, or maybe you can take one group at a time, preferably group 3. I would suggest that if you have time. ठीक है, और एक बार में you don't have to start all the 4 subjects. No, start with 2 subjects only. Even if you have taken the classes of entire group, keep theory plus practical balance. Choose the subjects from the same group so that at least one group is prepared in entirety. ठीक है, अब law specifically I will talk about because it's the very first subject and can make you or break you. So I would suggest you to start with that along with the practical subject. Syllabus बहुत vast है, understanding takes time, and recently I would say the institute is also asking practical conceptual questions which demand deeper understanding, so it takes time. पर बच्चों को डर लगता है मैम लॉ में देयर आर मेनी चेंजेस विच मे कम, सो आई वुड से नॉट रियली. वेरी फ्यू अमेंडमेंट्स माइट बी देयर विच कैन बी कवर्ड थ्रू अ सिंगल वीडियो विच आई पोस्ट एंड यू कैन वॉच इट लेटर. सो यू आर डन विद द एंटायर थिंग. यू जस्ट हैव टू वॉच one video maybe of half an hour at the max, right? And you're sorted, you're done. Okay. Now, based on your working hours and training pressure, you can simply start with 2 to 3 study hours every day. That's it. And in the weekends, you can stretch it to 5 to 6 hours, right? In the initial phase of your training, when you have to struggle with the adjusting with the training and also adapting to the classes, and this way you will not lose touch of the classes and you will not be in a feel, oh, I don't want to study again, because your study did not have any gap. And gradually increase the subjects, increase the duration. See, your pace can be slow, but your direction must be right. बहुत जरूरी है. CMA Inter was about proving you can handle pressure and all that. CMA Final is about proving you can handle responsibility. So keep your, and also of course I would say keep yourself connected with the ICMA institute that you have locally in your city for IOTP, etc. Now, if you have any more doubts and you want me to guide and make a specific video on anything, let me know through the comments, and wish you all the very best. Plan and start your preparation, start your training, and just work and do wonders. Thank you. All the best.